In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign a document in DocHub. First, open your web browser and search for DocHub. Once the search results appear, click the correct official DocHub link to make sure you're going to the right website. This helps avoid confusion and make sure you're working in the proper platform before you begin. Next, sign in to your DocHub account. After logging in, you'll arrive at the dashboard. From there, open the PDF you want to sign. If your file is not already in DocHub, create a new document and upload your PDF. Give the file a moment to load fully so the editing tools are available and the pages display clearly. When your document is open, look at the top toolbar and click the sign icon. It's usually represented by a fountain pen tip or a signature-style cursive mark. This is the main tool you'll use to add your signature to the document. If you haven't created a signature in DocHub yet, choose Create Your Signature from the drop-down menu. DocHub gives you several ways to generate a signature, so you can pick the method that feels most natural and convenient for you. You can use the mobile option, which lets you scan a QR code and draw your signature on your phone's screen. This is often a smooth and easy choice if signing with a mouse feels awkward. You can also choose Draw and create the signature directly with your mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen. Another option is Upload Image, where you upload a picture of your handwritten signature. And if you want something fast and simple, you can select Type, then enter your name and choose a cursive style font. After creating your signature, click Save to store it in your DocHub account. Saving it means you won't need to recreate it each time you sign a document, which can save time in the future. Now click the Sign tool again, select your saved signature, and then click anywhere on the document page to place it. Once it appears, you can adjust it so it fits neatly in the correct signing area. To finish, drag the corners of the signature box to resize it. If the placement needs adjusting, drag from the center of the box to move it into position. Take a moment to line it up carefully so it looks clean and professional on the page. And that's how to sign a document in DocHub quickly and easily.